Tired of feeling like your money is running the show? Today, we're diving headfirst into the ultimate personal finance showdown, NerdWallet vs EveryDollar. First up, NerdWallet. Think of it as your all-in-one financial command center. It shines with its comprehensive features. We're talking credit score monitoring, investment tracking, and in-depth spending analysis. NerdWallet is fantastic if you want a holistic view of your entire financial life. Now, let's talk EveryDollar. If you're all about getting granular with your budget, this one's for you. EveryDollar uses the zero-based budgeting method, meaning every single dollar has a purpose. This method is where you plan how you'll spend all of your income each month. Here's the key difference. NerdWallet's strength lies in its investment tools, allowing you to monitor your portfolio performance and see how you're doing over time. EveryDollar truly excels in building and maintaining a budget. Ultimately, the best choice depends on you. Need an all-encompassing view of your finances, including investments. NerdWallet might be your winner. Looking for laser-focused budgeting and hands-in control, EveryDollar could be your saving grace. So, which one are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.